Good morning, children. Today we are going to see chapter 2 linear equations in one variable. We are going to see the introduction about this chapter. So first of all we are going to see what is linear equation. What is an equation? For that we should know what is algebraic expression. These are some examples for the algebraic expression. Among this, very first one is 5x, then 2x minus 3, then x plus y plus z, then x square plus 1. These are some algebraic expressions. So, now we are going to see what is a linear equation. A linear, that is, first we should see what is this linear. Linear means the equation or else the expression with the highest power 1. In this you can verify. See here, this is equation in one variable, expression in one variable, but the power is 1. And here also this is an expression with one variable, the power is 1. But here the expression is with 3 variable. And here the expression is with one variable, but the power is 2. So the very first and the second one is the linear expression. When in this expression equal sign is included, then this is termed as linear equation. Suppose, for example, I am giving you now 2x minus 3, that is equal to 7. So this is the linear equation in one variable, that is an expression with the variable 1 and the power of this variable is 1. So an equal sign is there, constant is there, mathematical operation is there. So 2x minus 3, that is equal to 7. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. This type of equation is called as linear equations in one variable. For this we have to find the solution, that is we have to find the value of x. So we are going to use some two methods, that is one is inversion method and the another one is transpose method. First we will see this transpose method. The first equation is 2x minus 3, that is equal to 7. This minus 3 we have to bring to the right hand side. So 2x, that is equal to 7. This minus 3 will come this side as plus 3. Minus 3 will come this side as plus 3. So 7 plus 3 is 10 and this left hand side remains the same. 2 multiplied by x. So with the x, with the variable x, 2 is with multiplication. So this side if it comes means it will become as division. So this side 2 become division. That is 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the value of the x, that is the solution for the equation, is x is equals to 5. Then we can see the one more example. 7x minus 9, that is equal to 16. Now this 7x minus 9, that is equal to 16 is a linear equation in one variable. We are going to find the solution for this, that is we are going to find the value of x. Now this minus 9 we have to bring first this side. So 7x, that is equal to 16. This minus 9 will come this side as plus 9. So 16 plus 9 is 25 and this side 7x. This 7 is in multiplication with x. So x is equals to 25 divided by 7. So value of x is equals to 25 by 7.